right, wow. Today has been a phenomenal day for the entire Adbond team to come out all the way from different parts of Nigeria for the love of our nation every October independence period. And this year we say grow your own food, and a lot of turnout we've been able to see today. We want to say a big thank you to all our villa owners that give us this acceptance in this so-called agro-to-home project development. We really appreciate you all. And we're also saying thank you to all our media team. You guys are fantastic, phenomenal. You make today colorful, beautiful. If you look around, you see that everybody, they are happy. And also want to say thank you to the agri department for making the farmers market a farmers market. They did phenomenal and they did fantastic. They did fantastic well. Thank you so much. And for those that we are give free seed, don't forget every year you are going to do a video of that farm that you are doing. Some people have emerged winner for this year right now. So congratulations to them as well. And we are saying thank you to all our team, both people at the back end, at the front end. We are saying thank you. We appreciate every effort. And thank you so much. See you next year on another episode of Love of Our Nation. We are so thrilled and we love you all. Thank you.